Hi everyone. Want to get more done in less time? Here are 5 productivity tips to supercharge your day. Tip number 1. Start your day with a to-do list. Writing down your tasks helps you stay organized and focused. Tip number 2. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat to maintain high energy levels. Tip number 3. Eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications and create a dedicated workspace to improve concentration. Tip number 4. Prioritize tasks. Tackle the most important and challenging tasks first when your energy is highest. Tip number 5. Take regular breaks. Short breaks during work can increase productivity and prevent burnout. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more daily tips. See you next time.